My overall experience with Spendflo has been brilliant, and they really work well and strive. They really strive for us as members of the team. I'm Chris Matos, I'm Head of Group Finance at i6 Group. i6 is a software development company which specialises in the aviation sector. We saw an opportunity to digitise the whole process of fuel management, which includes all the way from the refinery to the wingtip. And then we got to a stage when Spendflo came to visit us where we realised that we had nearly 360 tools and software subscriptions or usages being used across our organisation. And there was no one really that was managing that. So yeah, one of the downsides of having so many different tools within the organisation and no real formal procurement process was that it was left to a small management and finance team to actually consider each one on its own merit, and often actually have an emergency call because they needed a debit card to make that transaction become live overnight because they needed to use that tool there and then. And that's sometimes something that happens when you start buying seats for the whole of the organisation and realise that sometimes only half of them are being used. But it wasn't until being contacted by Spendflo that we could really see that there was a platform that we could use and a team that could support us through this. It just makes the whole process way more efficient. It means also that I have visibility over what's going on. I'm in that channel, I can scan and see what's going on, I can be aware of what's going on, but I don't have to be worried about the detail. I can see that the things are kind of moving along. So one of the biggest savings is just having the focus on this that we've never had before. We have really regular meetings with the Spendflo team every fortnight, and that really addresses what we're doing at any particular time, and that really enhances the procurement process. So this year really sees a change in our buying habits, and we've certainly moved away from the default monthly subscription to the annual subscription. And with the annual subscription, it certainly comes with discounted payment terms, but equally often involves a bundling experience and really understanding how many users and what of the tools of a particular product that we're using makes us a much better informed annual experience. And my overall experience with Spendflo has been brilliant. I mean, we've been really blessed with just the most understanding account team that really understands i6 as a company and what we're doing, and they really work well and strive. They really strive for us as members of the team.